Hello everyone, this is Triple Three Gist. I have a piece of advice to give. Why don't you go to business center and they print begging certificates? Yes, begging certificate you can use to apply for a begging job than using people's name to beg money. I know why I'm saying this. Because of the previous video I did about our relatives abroad, that people from home, they always call them when they needed help. And some people replied me, you understand, saying, what about those people we call and they avoid us? Do you know who tarnished your image? If you are not the begging type and you have relative abroad or relative here and they are trying to avoid you each time you call them, something must be wrong. If you are not that begging type, someone must have tarnished your image. Some hungry people at home, that's their job. That's why I said they should go and print the begging certificate and apply for begging job. Each time they call people abroad, you see them telling lies against people, using people's name. Brother, you don't know what Uncle Emeka was saying. Uncle Emeka was saying that this is 10 years you went to America. This is 10 years you went to Germany. And you can't even build house. Your mates build a house and you're there doing Arabanco life. Do you understand? Some will even tell them that you are an occultic man, that you're killing people at home. You're doing this, you're doing that. And when that Emeka sees your incoming call, and is that uncle's name, you expect him to pick the call. It's not possible. They are not at home. They don't know what is happening. It's those bad people at home that's always feeding them with lies. If it's true, if it's something true, like if it's truth you're telling him, like maybe evil person killing people, is a different thing. But this particular topic is about people telling lies against people, using people's name to beg for money. If you want someone to help you, you can just tell that person, please help me, or you apply with your begging certificate, than tarnishing someone's image, someone that did nothing, out of jealousy or hatred. You just use that person's name to make call and tarnish his or her image, and you expect that person to pick your call. Like those people that sent me messages saying, what of those people we call and they don't pick our calls? Can you see the reason now? Onu ndị nwere ụmụnne abroad, ụmụnne gị n'obodo oyiwe, relation n'obodo oyiwe, is for uncles, aunties, cousins, sisters, brothers. Ọrụ gị ime call bo mmadụ ebubo ihe onye na-eme, tụọ asị. Ndị a n'obodo oyiwe ha nọ Nigeria amaghị ihe na-eme. Ị na-eyuzu aha ndị mmadụ wee na-ana ego. Ikpe onye n'obodo iwe, itebụl ofe onye nọ n'ụlọ boy allegation, tụọ asị ihe ọ na-eme, kwuo ihe ọ na-ekwughị. Ọ sị na ị n'obodo iwe agba ofe ogiri, enweghị ihe imepụtara, that you're wasting your time abroad, that you're abroad messing up, that you're abroad you don't want to help somebody, you are messing. And anybody that hears such rubbish will not be happy. And you want to call that person as a relative, immediately the person sees your incoming call. Margaret, you are calling me. Look at Jacinta calling me. After talking nonsense with my name. Can you see it now? If you are among those people that is doing this type, please, my sister, my brother, go to business center, print your begging certificate. Then you can apply begging job than tarnishing people's image. This is too much now. Even you are abroad, if you're someone abroad, hearing this thing I'm saying, reason it very well. Anybody that call you to give you fake news from home, something that you are not sure of, telling you this person did this, did that, tell that person, okay, don't worry, I will call him, I will call her. Then you see that this nonsense will end. And you see them say, no, don't call him, don't call him. Why won't I call him? I will call him or her to verify if it's true now, so that this rubbish will end. So if you are among those using people's name, tarnishing people's image just to beg money, Please leave those people behind. Go and apply for your begging job. You might succeed. If the job favored you, good. If the job didn't favor you, cool. But stop using people's name to beg money, to ask for help, to apply for work, to search for contracts and whatever. Stop tarnishing people's innocent souls that did nothing just because you want favor from someone. Just because you want favor, just because you want to ask for money. Are you hearing what I'm saying? Stop using people's name to beg for money. Stop using people's name. Stop tarnishing people's image. Very, very bad that you want to ask someone for money and you fabricate a story that you will tell the person about someone so that you get favor. Change if you are doing such thing is very, very bad. This is 333 Gist. More videos loading.